Welcome to my comprehensive review of Money Lover, the personal finance app that promises to revolutionize how you track and manage your money. In this video, I'll explore the app's design, usability, and key features to help you decide if it's the right fit for your financial journey. First, let's talk about the user interface. Money Lover has a clean and intuitive layout, making it easy for users of all experience levels to navigate. Upon opening the app, you're greeted by a dashboard displaying your current balance, upcoming bills, and spending categories. This provides a quick snapshot of your financial health, helping you stay organized at a glance. One of the standout features of Money Lover is its expense tracking system. You can manually input transactions or connect your bank account for automatic updates. The app categorizes your spending, breaking it down into food, entertainment, utilities, and more, so you know exactly where your money is going. There's also a detailed chart view, which helps visualize spending trends over time. Budgeting is another strong point. Money Lover allows you to set budgets for specific categories, such as dining out or shopping. The app alerts you if you're approaching your budget limit, keeping you accountable and preventing overspending. What's great is the flexibility to adjust these budgets anytime, depending on your financial goals. The savings feature is ideal for those working toward big financial goals, like a vacation or emergency fund. You can set up savings goals, track your progress, and even automate savings transfers if you link a bank account. This ensures you stay on track with minimal effort. Another useful tool is the bill reminder. You can schedule recurring bills, like rent or subscriptions, and get notifications before they're due. This helps avoid late fees and keeps your financial obligations in check. Money Lover also provides insightful reports and analytics. You can do detailed monthly or yearly reports that summarize income, expenses, and savings. These reports are helpful for spotting patterns and making informed financial decisions. In terms of security, the app offers a passcode lock, ensuring your financial data remains private. For those seeking even more functionality, Money Lover offers a premium version with features like multi-currency support and unlimited accounts. Overall, Money Lover stands out as a user-friendly and feature-rich personal finance app. Whether you're looking to get a handle on your daily expenses or work toward long-term financial goals, this app has the tools to help you succeed. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews of the best apps and tools for personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.